Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle F1 channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to install and patch Oracle 19c in one line. This is very much interesting topic. In this video, we are going to discuss about it, and this is very much pretty easier steps. We can install at a stage like first we will apply the patch and then Oracle 19c RDBMS binary installation will be present. So for this prerequisite is records, RDBMS binary, we have to download RDBMS binaries and patch version, latest patch version, and July 2020 DB patches. So I have already downloaded these softwares, like you can see here I have downloaded and put it in softwares location. This is RDBMS 19c binary 19.3 version, and this is latest patch version patch, and this is 2020 July 2020 RU patch. So I have downloaded it already. We can do an Oracle 19c installation and patch of the Oracle home in one line of code. Yes, you read that correctly. Yes, it is. It is one line. Since 18c, the Oracle database installation is an image-based installation, this means the installation is simplified and the time it takes install Oracle reduced. You download the software, unzip the file to the Oracle home directory, then you run the run installer on Unix to register the Oracle home with the Oracle inventory. It is even easier to install and patch Oracle at the same time. You download the patch as well and unzip it to the Oracle home location. Then you run the run install with the option also apply the patches. Here is an example of Linux. Let's install 19c and apply the July 2020 release update RU bundle patch that consists of two patches, that database RU and the OJVM patch as well. I downloaded the July 2020 RU bundle patch 31281355, unzipped the file and the Oracle home directory. This process created the directory 31281355 under the Oracle home. When I ran the run installer, I used to flag -apply RU to apply the RU patch, and the flag -apply one of to apply the OJVM patch. Below are the step-by-step instruction. First, we need to download 19c software and July 2020 patches. So RDBMS binaries and patch version 2000 RU patch, and I have downloaded also grid RU patches July 2020 as well. So what we need to do, unzip the software and patches into the Oracle home directory, Oracle home location. We need to download it and we need to unzip it. So what we are going to do is see it in this demo. I am going to unzip this. I have already created the directory cd 01 app Oracle product 19c db1. So you can see here there is nothing is there. We are going to unzip in this location. Okay, then now I am going to unzip that Oracle DB binaries. Unzip -d. I'll do it in on Oracle CD softwares. So it will take quite some time. The RDBMS binaries extract has been completed. Next, we will unzip into that, and now we will go to that Oracle 19c directory. what we will do, that OPatch version we are going to replace. So existing version we will uh, so what we are going to do, we are going to replace the existing version. So I will do that OPatch I'm renaming that folder like patch backup. So you can see now we have renamed. Now we are going to software location. We are going to extract that OPatch new version. Now you go and check. Now earlier it is 17, now 21. So latest version has been extracted. Now going to software location. Extracting that July 2020 patch. Unzip. So now the extraction process got completed and we are moving into Oracle 19c home. So you can see here that patching also extracted here. So now what we are going to do, in one line we are going to apply patch first on the Oracle 19c home location and the running installer will be proceed. So let's see. So we have done these steps and run in the installer and Oracle and the patches at the same time. So I am going to execute this command on Oracle 19c GUI mode. So logged into the GUI Oracle Linux. Oracle. Okay, now we are going to execute run installer with applying the patch. Okay, let's see. So start applying the patch on Oracle 19c home directory, home location. Once the patch got applied, the run installer will be proceeding for the Oracle 19c software installation. Once the software installation gets completed, I mean the registration gets completed, we need to configure the Oracle 19c database creation. Now the patch has been applied, successfully applied, and the launching are launched. So what we are going to do, like now I am going to set up software only. So it's a one command, single command, It's been applying patches as well as that run installer will be proceeding with the software installation. Forgiveness, single instance database only, enterprise edition, so Oracle base location. So we install. Next, it's doing the perform the pre-checks. So just ignore all. Next, install. The installation, it's we need to run the root.sh root user. Enter. Okay, click OK. That software as installation completed successfully. Okay. Now what we have did, like what happens next is very interesting. Like that patches are applied first, and after that patch installation and run installation is started to get you through the rest of the software instructions. We have completed successfully. So now, if you wanted to apply the RU, then you would have only use the apply RU flag only. So know this one as well. If really that is there any OJVM patches is there means you can include this apply one of also. You can include this one of slash OJVM patches, something like that. So you can apply like this, install like this. So in this video, what we have seen, like in single command, we have installed that patch, applied Oracle 19c home and installed the 19c software binaries. Later we can configure the database installation. Oracle F1 channel, many more videos to come. Like I am going to explore Oracle, all the Oracle 19c features. I have already discussed a couple of new features: Oracle automatic indexing and Oracle real-time statistics. And I am going to explore another 10 more new features are there. I'm going to explore all one by one. Thanks for watching Oracle F1 channel. Kindly do subscribe. We will see you on next video. Thank you very much. Thank you.